just noise or voice. Can you see this beautiful decor? And yes, you can guess the occasion, the festival. And yes, it is the most favorite festival of all the kids. And you guessed it right. It's Christmas! So yes, Merry Christmas to everyone. Now, when we are talking about Christmas, we are talking about Christianity. And Christmas is all about Santa Claus and the gifts that you get from your parents and friends. But what about many other things that we should know? For that, we have got our exclusive guest today. And his name is also exclusive, as in it's quite different. So he is going to tell you his name, its meaning, and much more about himself, about the festival, about the religion, about the beauty of his faith, and many other things. So welcome this boy.
My name is Nehemiah Malago, and just one thing is that Christmas is not only just about Santa Claus, gifts. It's actually about Jesus. He was born on Christmas, and there were actually 3 wise men who gave him gifts. And there was also, can I tell the full story?
Yes, you can. Okay, just one thing. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बता दो. Yeah. Okay, if you are comfortable in English, no problem. You can continue. Yes.
So, in the starting, Mary was just, she used to she had a lot of faith in God. And once the angel came in her dream and just said that you will receive a child and you will keep his name as Jesus. When Joseph didn't want to marry Mary because she was a virgin, but then an angel came in his dream and said, you have to do this because the Son of God is being born, and his name will be Emmanuel. Then they both went on a donkey to Bethlehem, and वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिला. Every place was full, and they did not let them stay because Mary was about to give birth, and Joseph wanted a place that they could stay. But then there was a stable, so where all the sheep, all of the goats, and all of those things, all of these animals, they used to stay there. So he was born in a manger. 3 wise men, and there were also some shepherds who saw the star, and then they went there. They followed that star and went there, and the 3 wise men gave Jesus gifts.
Okay, this is a beautiful story. तो मैंने जो समझा है कि पहले मदर मैरी को कोई भी स्टे करने नहीं दे रहा था. मे बी द प्लेस वॉज फुल या कोई नहीं चाह रहा था. बट आपने बताया देयर वर 3 वाइज मैन एंड देयर वर शेफर्ड्स एज वेल. तो आपको लगता है कि गॉड अच्छे कामों के लिए खुद चूज करते हैं कि किससे अच्छे काम करवाने और किससे नहीं? आपको लगता है ऐसा?
Yes.
कुछ आपने ऐसा कभी फील किया है कि ये कितना ब्यूटीफुल टास्क?
Sometimes when we were once in what was that place? Singapore.
Mm-hmm.
So we did not have enough money to give, so that driver, he just took that much money that we had.
ओह, इंडियन थे वो जो ड्राइवर था? वो इंडियन था?
No.
कुछ याद है? He was a foreigner. I mean, he belonged to Singapore only.
He was a Malaysian.
Okay, not an Indian. He might be a Malaysian or maybe any other foreigner.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think ये ऐसा नहीं था कि चलो अगर इंडियंस हैं तो देख के हेल्प कर दो. यूजुअली होता है ना ऐसा, आई एम एन इंडियन, यू आर एन इंडियन, तो इंडियन कहीं मिल गए बाहर तो हम वी फील लाइक अ फैमिली और हम हेल्प कर देते हैं कि यार अपनी सेम कंट्री से है ना. बट यहाँ पर ये हुआ कि वो इंडियन नहीं भी थे, स्टिल ही हेल्प्ड यू गाइस. या सो ही वाज लाइक गॉड सेंट एंजल फॉर यू. आपने सुना है, हम ये यूजुअली बोलते हैं बातों में, डायलॉग्स में बोलते हैं कि दिस पर्सन इज लाइक गॉड सेंट एंजल टू मी. कुछ ऐसा कभी सुना है? सही सच में बताओ, सुना या नहीं सुना?
A little bit.
A little bit. अच्छा, तो कभी कभी ना हमारी लाइफ में हमें इतने ब्यूटीफुल पीपल मिलते हैं. फैमिली मेंबर्स तो अच्छे होते ही हैं. दे कैन बी आवर फ्रेंड्स, दे कैन बी आवर नेबर्स, या जिनके साथ हम वर्क कर रहे हैं वी कॉल देम कोलीग्स, है ना. तो कभी कभी वो इतने अच्छे मिल जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं दिस पर्सन इज गॉड सेंट एंजल फॉर मी. गॉड सेंट एंजल मीन्स गॉड खुद तो सब जगह जा नहीं सकते, एज इन कि हमें वो अपना वो जो लिटरल फेस है या जो लिटरल लुक है वो तो नहीं दिखाएंगे ना. बट अगर हमें वो लव करते हैं और हमें वो प्यार करते हैं तो फिर ऐसे ही करेंगे ना. आपको लगता है ऐसा कि फिर वो अच्छे अच्छे लोग हमारी लाइफ में भेज देते हैं? और अगर हमें कभी टेस्ट करना है गॉड ने तो क्या करते हैं गॉड?
So, अगर गॉड को हमें टेस्ट करना है तो
हमें टेस्ट करना है.
तो लाइक जैसे कुछ होगा तो फिर उसके बाद हमें कुछ सोचना है कि ये करना है ये नहीं करना है.
कुछ एग्जाम्पल दो ना अपनी लाइफ से. कुछ सोचो, कहीं आप घूमने गए हो, आपकी क्लास में कुछ हुआ हो, या आपने किसी का कुछ देखा हो, मम्मा पापा ने अपना कोई इंसिडेंट बताया हो, कुछ भी ऐसा.
वी वर इन श्रीलंका. हम ऑटो में जा रहे थे और मैंने अपना बैग उतार लिया. हम होटल पहुंच गए, मैं निकल गया, बैग छोड़ गया उसमें,
ऑटो में रह गया. अच्छा, फिर
मैं होटल रूम में गया, बस प्रेयर करी, शाम को बैग वापस वही अंकल आए, वापस दे दिया.
ये तो फिर गॉड सेंट एंजल आपके लिए. वाओ, आप तो बहुत ब्लेस्ड हो, है ना. आपके साथ ऐसे इंसिडेंट होते रहते हैं, राइट. अब मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि गॉड ने आपको कभी टेस्ट किया हो? टेस्ट का मीनिंग समझ रहे हो कि देखते हैं अगर निमाया को अगर आज ये पर्टिकुलर चीज चाहिए, ये नहीं मिल रही, या अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे, या कंपटीशन में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं,
अगर कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा जस्ट प्रे. Prayer will always help.
Good. So you believe in that? Yeah. Now just imagine there's a Christmas tree in your house, and this time you're not going to decorate it with balls and stars and gifts and all that stuff. This time you are going to decorate it with the slips on which you have written your thoughts. या कुछ भी जो आपके माइंड में आता है, ठीक है. अब बताओ, tell me at least 5 thoughts कि क्या क्या लिखोगे?
5 thoughts. But what do I have to say?
Anything. Like मैं अपना बताऊं, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे रही. I have started my YouTube channel. YouTube channel पे I really want कि subscribers बहुत ज्यादा आ जाए. So this is what I want. Now your turn. अब आप बताओ.
I would firstly write that I just want one thing. I want something that I can play on. Like just connect to the TV and play it.
आपको PS है? नहीं?
I want it, but Mama says only when you get 100 marks in all exams, then only you will get it. So, firstly, I want one thing that should be good is for my Nana, because he always just when he climbs like his house stairs, he lives in a society, so he has some kind of breathing problem, and I want that to be fine so that he breathes normally. And I also pray for I also want that my mummy is also, I want her also be fine. And also for my father, sometimes he starts to get acne on his skin.
Okay.
and I just want that people don't have to be so angry on the road that sometimes they just start to do road rage.
Good.
They start to fight on the road. And there's one thing, we should always respect old people, rather they are poor, rather they're rich, anything, we have to always respect them.
So PS5, good health for your family, and people must not be angry
On the road.
when they are on the road, when they're driving, yeah. And we should respect old people despite their financial condition. These are 4. Tell me one more. और क्या चाहिए? एक तो PS देखते हैं कब मिलेगा.
And I also want an iPad.
ठीक है. So this gadget freak person wants gadgets, yeah. Okay. मुझे ना जीसस का कुछ बताओ ऐसा, कुछ ऐसे facts जैसे I can share one with you. Recently I got to know कि जीसस की जो हमारे पास पिक्चर है ना, the photograph that we look at is something which is not allowed in Christianity. कुछ ऐसा है? कभी सुना है आपने? मतलब
For some Christians, yes, but we actually do not know what Jesus used to look like.
Yeah, this is what, yeah.
So we shouldn't just look at one picture and just believe that because that is some kind of like a statue kind of a thing.
Okay.
So the reason why Jesus went on the cross, he went on the cross because of all of our burdens. Like all of our sins, whatever we have done wrong, he died because he wanted all of those things to go away. So we could have a good life. Many people think that Jesus only came for the Christians. No, he actually came for everyone in this whole world. And Jesus, he went on the cross so that all our burdens, sins, all of them, he took it on the cross so that we don't feel that pain.
Thank you. Okay. आपका इतना beautiful name है, हमें meaning तो बताओ इसका.
It is the name of a prophet and it means comforted by God.
Comforted by God. So आपकी एक comfortable life है, yeah? And you acknowledge that?
Yes.
आपको लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ में जो आपके पास होना चाहिए था वो सब कुछ है?
Yes.
And do you ask for more?
I do ask for some things, but I am happy with my life.
Good. So थोड़े बहुत add on चाहिए बस लाइफ में, बाकी तो जो सब है वो अच्छा है, right? चलो, thank you so much. Now please tell us which class are you in?
I am in class 5.
Okay, class 5. So boys and girls मिलके अच्छे से मस्ती करते हो खेल.
There are no. This is just a boys' school.
Okay, so it's not a co-ed school, co-education?
No.
Okay. So कैसा लगता है girls नहीं है, सारे boys हैं बस?
It's actually really fun.
Really fun. मतलब आपको मिसिंग नहीं लगता कि गर्ल्स नहीं है, हम आपस में बॉयज ही सारा टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं? बताओ.
It's fine in school. It's only boys.
Okay, so you don't miss girls being with you. अच्छा, do you have a sibling?
Not a sibling, but cousins.
Cousin.
I have many cousins.
Okay, so brothers and sisters.
I have one brother and many sisters.
तो इसीलिए मुझे लगता है आपको स्कूल में मिसिंग नहीं लगता कि गर्ल्स हैं कि नहीं, because in your family you have lot of girls who are your cousins. Yeah, बताओ उनके बारे में कुछ अच्छा सा.
There's an elder and she's in class 10th.
इतनी बड़ी है? अच्छा.
And she likes to draw and she likes to eat also. And she just watches her phone and just does her study sometimes.
Okay. What about you? आप देखते हो phone? Tell me honestly.
2 years stopped using phone.
2 years से बिल्कुल छोड़ ही दिया?
Yeah, only I listen to music.
That's good. So you have interest in music?
Yeah, I have a piano.
You have a piano also?
I've been learning since 4 years.
Oh, okay. So you have become quite good in that? Yeah. फिर तो आज कुछ अच्छे carols भी सुनाओगे? Yes? Yes or no? ठीक है, अभी हम carols भी सुनेंगे, ठीक है? You are going to teach me because मुझे कोई carol नहीं आता, ठीक है?
How many carols?
Only one carol you can sing, ठीक है? You can teach me, you can give me some lyrics and I'll try to copy you, ठीक है? आज एक बच्चे से सीखेंगे कि कैसे carols sing करते हैं, या? Because सीखने के लिए तो there is no elder or younger, no? कोई किसी को भी सिखा सकता है, yes or no? Yes? अच्छा, चलो कुछ बताओ अपने और cousins के बारे में, क्या करते हो, मस्ती कैसे?
I have another cousin. Her name is Deborah.
Deborah. Okay.
And the one who's elder, the one who's in class 10, her name is Hannah.
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 आप ना वो दीदी को है ना her name is Hannah दीदी को एक मैसेज दे देना कि अगर वो इतनी एज तक भी ड्राइंग करती है ना, so it's a very beautiful sign that she is into art, because these days when we talk about technology, और हम इतना मोबाइल फोन देखते हैं, इतना टीवी देखते हैं, हमारा जो एंटरटेनमेंट का अटेंशन है, इनफैक्ट किसी भी चीज के लिए जो अटेंशन है वो बहुत कम रह गया है। लेकिन अगर आप आर्ट में होते हो ना, कुछ ऐसा ड्रॉ करते हो,
I also like art.
That's good. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि आप में अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत ज्यादा है, so it is a very good thing. अब बड़े होकर बनना क्या है? What would you like to become?
Whatever Mama says.
It's not Mama's life. No, Mama, Papa can never decide for you, no? No one else can decide for you.
Either a doctor or either a singer or either like in those people who like code and all in computers.
Okay, so you would like to become a coder or a programmer, yeah? We call them software engineers. So you would like to become a software engineer or a doctor or a singer. तो सिंगिंग तो किसी के साथ भी हो सकती है, बिकॉज सिंगिंग इज योर हैबिट एंड योर इंटरेस्ट. तो आप डॉक्टर बनने के साथ साथ भी सिंगर बन सकते हो, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनने के साथ साथ सिंगर बन सकते हो, है ना? पर डॉक्टर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर नहीं बन सकते. अच्छा, क्यों बनना है डॉक्टर, कभी सोचा?
Because my grandparents are also doctors.
So you would like to carry forward their legacy, yeah? बट आप अपना इंटरेस्ट बताओ ना. वो तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स तो बन गए, ठीक है, उनका हो गया. अब आप अपना इंटरेस्ट देखोगे ना, आपका किसमें है? बताओ.
The software engineer.
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर यू वुड लाइक टू बी. अच्छा, फिर क्या बनाना है? कुछ किस चीज का न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर बनाना है, कभी सोचा?
Like phone software.
फोन में ऐसा क्या फीचर जो आपको लगता है अभी नहीं आया, बट मैं जब जाऊंगा ना मैं बना दूंगा?
That the children who watch a lot of phone, their phone should just shut down.
बट फोन को कैसे पता चलेगा कि बच्चे देख रहे हैं या एडल्ट देख रहे हैं?
Because it will have a camera that can see.
बट अगर हम कैमरा को एक्सेस देंगे तो कैमरा तो हमारा फिर बाकी मूवमेंट्स भी कैप्चर करता रहेगा, और वो हमारे प्राइवेट लाइफ है, वो तो नहीं कैप्चर करनी चाहिए.
Then it'll turn off.
अच्छा,
Only when YouTube turns on then.
अच्छा. अब आपने मुझे बताया योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कम फ्रॉम मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड.
My nana, he was the first in AIMS. He was the first transplant coordinator.
In AIMS hospital?
First.
Oh, this is so good. Okay.
And my dada, he is a surgeon.
He's a surgeon. Is he still serving in a hospital?
Yeah, he's in Malaysia.
Okay, this is cool. So he's still working there?
Yeah, he goes.
That's so
He teaches other people.
Okay, that's so good. Very good, very nice. Okay, so in your family, when you talk about your home, so how many people are there?
In our house, 3.
Mama, Papa, and
and
you.
me.
So tell me honestly now, sometimes do you feel lonely that you should, एक brother होता या sister होती
Yes.
या pet होता? कौन होता बताओ?
I had a dog, but he died in COVID time.
Oh, okay, you had a dog. अच्छा. And after him, कभी सोचा?
After him, I feel little sad that I don't have anybody to play with. But then I just use my computer.
यूज योर कंप्यूटर टू पास योर टाइम. अच्छा, अब एक बात बताओ, आपको क्या लगता है जिनके घर में सिबलिंग्स होते होंगे तो वो हमेशा हैप्पी रहते होंगे कि ठीक है ब्रदर है, sister है?
Sometimes happy when both of the brother or sister, they if they're happy, and then when one is sad and one is angry, then both of them start to fight.
अब बताओ, अब जब फाइट करनी है तब चाहिए सिबलिंग.
No.
तो फाइटिंग फन नहीं होता? आप न्यू ट्रिक्स ढूंढते हो, इसको कैसे अटैक करना है मैंने. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? कजन्स के साथ करते हो फाइट कभी?
Only when they takes my stuff.
अच्छा, तो थोड़ी बहुत फिजिकल फाइट हो जाती है? नहीं, बस बोलते हो आप, थोड़ा सा शाउट कर लिया. कैसे करते हो, मतलब बताओ.
Then I just shout, and then I just close the door.
So just because you have this habit of living without any sibling, so you know that your place, your room belongs to you. तो फिर अब अगर किसी ने आपको ट्रबल करना है, it's better that the person goes back. Yeah. और अगर ये आपका कोई सिबलिंग होता तो, और आप रूम शेयर करते होते तो?
I would just be quiet.
अच्छा, तो आपको लगता है कि अगर किसी से आर्ग्यूमेंट होते हैं सो इट्स बेटर टू स्टे क्वाइट?
Yes.
या फिर क्या अदर वेज होते हैं?
You can just stay quiet, do not say anything, then the other person will come back and say sorry to you.
Does it really work?
It works on me.
हाँ. पक्का? So tried and tested है ये टिप. ठीक है. So tell all the other kids who are of your age कि हर बार आंसर नहीं करना होता, कभी कभी
Just stay quiet.
एक बार अच्छे से बोल दो. They will listen to you.
You just have to be quiet. Do not say anything. The person who you're fighting with will just come back, say sorry, end of conversation.
Good. Okay. चलो अब बताओ, अब हम चलते हैं, कहाँ चले? Let's go to a restaurant. ठीक है, imagine you are in a restaurant with your whole family. You can include your grandparents if you wish. Otherwise, you three, it's up to you. Your cousins. Now everyone says, आज तो हम सबके लिए food निमाया ऑर्डर करेगा. हम सब नहीं करेंगे, निमाया ही करेगा. अब my question is, निमाया को पता भी है सबकी food preferences?
I would ask the waiter to give menu to everybody.
नहीं. There will be only one menu, yeah, and they are going to test you whether you know them very well or not. अब बताओ.
I know one thing, that everyone likes Indian food.
Okay.
So I will order dal makhani and butter chicken and butter naan. And for everyone, I will also order Coke or lemonade with the masala.
Okay. So you are so smart, हाँ? ये तो सभी खाते हैं. This is so common among almost everyone. तो आपने इनका नाम बता दिया. नहीं, ये तो आपने बहुत स्मार्टली आंसर कर दिया. I want to know कि आपको मम्मा की प्रेफरेंस पता भी है कि नहीं, कि मम्मा यूजुअली क्या ऑर्डर करती है, पापा क्या ऑर्डर करते हैं, हैना क्या ऑर्डर करती है, एंड द अदर गर्ल डेब्रा क्या ऑर्डर करती है, बताओ.
My father really likes lachha paratha. And he really likes to have like all kinds of chicken is fine for him.
Okay, so okay.
And mama usually goes on a diet.
Okay. So does she eat anything or not?
Yeah, she eats like both Papa and Mama, they both share.
Okay, so mama is like, नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं खाना, but then papa orders and then she tries to
Yeah.
eat from his plate. Yeah.
When Papa, like when we go to a cafe or any place, so when Papa orders vanilla milkshake, Mama always takes it.
Then papa doesn't say you can order for yourself.
No,
Papa is asking.
Papa has to share.
अच्छा, it's a rule. हाँ? Okay. Now I'm going to give you one line. ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है? You have to analyze it. कि इसका meaning क्या है? I want to be the best, or I want to be my best. ध्यान से सुनो. I want to be the best, or I want to be my best. कुछ meaning समझ आ रहा है इसका?
Means that I want to be the best, and I also want to be my best.
कुछ example दो.
That I want to be good, and I also want to be good for myself also. That if I'm doing this and it makes me good, so it should make the better of me.
Better of you. Yeah. और वो I want to be the best, वो
I do also want to be the best in music.
the best as in आप अपना comparison किससे करते हो?
I do the comparison with nobody.
With yourself only?
In studies, Mama says that you have to be better than this child, because if you don't be better than him, then he will go above you. You have to go above him.
Okay, वो तो मम्मा का हो गया, because usually ये सारे मम्मा पापा बोलते हैं ये बात, so it's not new with her. What do you think? आपको लगता है ऐसा that you need to be better than him or that boy or this boy? आपको लगता है?
I sometimes get irritated because I don't want to be I don't
Competitive
with like everybody.
Good. So this is good, no? मम्मा पापा ने तो बोलना ही है, इससे भी बेटर हो जाओ, उससे भी बेटर हो जाओ, बट हमने क्या करना है? हमने अपने आप से बेटर होना है. कैसे होते हैं अपने आप से बेटर?
By studying hard,
वो तो हम ऑलरेडी कर ही रहे हैं.
and also in like other activities like swimming. I am very good at swimming. I got an award,
Okay.
second place.
Okay.
And you have to do other things also. Just not, you should like not be just in one thing. You should be always like in other things.
So you should have skills. You mean to say?
Many skills.
Many skills. But जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा skills सीखते हैं, तो कभी burden नहीं लगता कि इस क्लास में भी जाना है,
नहीं.
स्कूल के बाद वो क्लास भी अटेंड करनी है. यूजुअली बच्चे बहुत बोलते हैं कि हम स्कूल से आते हैं, फिर ट्यूशन क्लासेस होती हैं, उसके बाद कभी ताइक्वांडो है, कभी स्केटिंग है.
You should always do all that, because then the end result will be better.
You should always
do these things because the end result will be better.
Okay, so you mean to say कि अगर अभी burden लग भी रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, later it will be good for you. चलो, तो मुझे लगता है अगर किसी को burden लग रहा है तो वो person भी ठीक है, वो बच्चा भी ठीक है कि अगर उसे कुछ नहीं करना तो.
You should always give all your burdens to God.
Okay, so you mean to say कि अगर burden लग रहा है तो हम God को बोले God help me. Okay, good, nice. Would you like to play a game with me? It will be fun. Okay, the game is that we together are going to make a word, but the letters, the first letter and the last letter will be given by each other. Means if I say ball, so I have given B and you have given L. So together we have made ball. So whosoever makes the word first gets the point. Am I clear? Now if I say C and you say S, so together we have made Christmas. But we have to see who is going to name the word first. L.
N.
What did you say?
N.
N. Now, quickly. London.
London.
So I won. R.
T. Rot.
You have got 1 point.
E. D. Den.
E. E and D, no? So N. Now let's switch. You are going to give me the first letter and I'll give the last. Okay?
C.
T. Cat.
Cat.
I said cat.
D.
E.
Den.
No, it has to end at E. Done. D-O-N-E. Done. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. Chalo. Now, what you can do, give both the letters. You are going to give both the letters and together we make the word. Okay? Okay? Are you ready? Both the letters you have to give.
W. H.
W and H. Watch.
What?
Watch. W and H. So it begins with watch. H. Ends at H, no? You didn't think of the word? Chalo, theek hai. You just thought of the letters. Yeah? No worries. Chalo. Okay, tell me, is there anything that is in your mind that you think must be discussed? Kuch bhi. About your life, about your personality, what you like, about the society, about your...
In India, they should also not litter the roads.
Now, when you talk about this garbage on the road and everywhere, when it comes to you as an individual, आप क्या करते हो? आप अच्छे से बिल्कुल make sure करते हो that you do not litter
I
at all?
try to make sure, but then sometimes, like when you don't find any dustbin, you have to sometimes do it.
So, don't you think that you can simply keep it in your pocket, or you can keep something with you? There sometimes maybe wet trash as well. तो वो pocket में नहीं जाएगा ना. अगर कुछ गीला है तो pocket में नहीं रख सकते. And for that you can carry something कि चलो इसमें डाल लेंगे.
You should. In Japan, there are no dustbins
Yes,
around.
I know.
So people they keep the polythene, and in that they keep putting their trash.
Trash.
And then when they go home, then they throw it in the
In the
dustbin.
dustbin. See. Anything else that comes to your mind कि कुछ और बात करनी है?
I really like cars.
Cars. You like cars. Which is your favorite car?
My favorite car is a BMW M4 competition.
Oh my god. Do you have it? I mean, does your family have it? नहीं है? अच्छा. So, would you like to buy it?
When I grow up, yes.
So, कैसे खरीदोगे? क्या उसका road map है? क्या सोचा है?
I want to want to gain money, and then I just want to after I take it from the showroom after 1 month, when it gets a little dirty, then I will start driving it very fast on the track.
तो 1 month wait क्यों करनी है कि पहले वो थोड़ी सी ऐसी हो जाए?
Because the tires will be still shiny.
Okay, so you want कि आपकी न्यू कार है तो वो डर्टी ना हो, तो you will not take it to that places कि जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे डर्टी हो जाएगी. तो अभी न्यू कार है तो उसको सजा के रखो, जब वो थोड़े टाइम बाद अपने आप डर्टी हो जाएगी धीरे धीरे, then you will take it. अच्छा जी. So shiny tires and what else? और क्या attract करता है cars में?
I want to put it on the Sport Plus.
ये क्या है Sports Plus Plus?
It's in BMW cars there's Sport Plus, so it makes it go so fast.
So are these some arrangements that you can do in the car?
No, it's in the car's display.
Display? तो
You
वो
can-
बस आपको दिखता है या कुछ उसमें सेटिंग्स में जाकर कार की फिर वो it starts driving fast? क्या होता है थोड़ा सा समझाओ.
Just put that setting, and then so if you put it on the normal one, then the car will go. It has a limiter,
Okay.
so then it will stop it.
Okay.
But after you put it into Sport Plus, the limiter gets removed, and then you can drive as fast as you want.
अच्छा जी, तो BMW को स्पोर्ट्स कार भी बना देनी है. और फिर किसे बिठाना है कार में साथ में? When you will
Mama and Papa.
मम्मा एंड पापा, फिर तो वो ऐसे ऐसे करते रहेंगे, निमाया गो स्लोली, यू आर गोइंग टू फास्ट. फिर
I will seat belts.
तो सीट बेल्ट से
Black
भी,
seat belts.
हाँ तो सीट बेल्ट से भी तो दे माइट फील अनकंफर्टेबल, नो, अगर आप इतना
There'll be massage in the seats.
कुछ ऐसा है BMW में ऑलरेडी, और यू जस्ट इमेजिन
There are massage seats that come.
in that particular BMW that you talked about.
No, they just there's an like an extra thing that you can get.
Acha, so that can be added to any cars or only BMW?
Like any luxury car.
My God, ये जो आपने इतना स्टडी किया हुआ है ना कार्स को, commendable, very good.
And I also like Supras.
What?
Supra.
Supra, what is that?
It is a JDM car.
Acha, it's another car. So yeah, this is what I said, no? That the kind of study you have done on cars is commendable. Thank you. So today,
I get the car thing from my father.
father, he's also,
He likes cars.
he likes cars. Okay. So together you both discuss about cars. अच्छा, कुछ और बताओ, और क्या डिस्कस करते हो?
I don't like bikes too much.
अच्छा, you don't like bikes much. One thing that you think only your father has, मतलब आपके पापा के अलावा किसी में ये क्वालिटी या ये स्किल या ये वाली बात ये और किसी में नहीं है?
He's the only one who listens to me about cars.
अच्छा, wow. So this is how you connect with him. आपको लगता है कि अगर
And he's a good driver.
he's a good driver, that's good.
Papa always asks me one question. Who is a better driver? Papa or Mama? I always choose Papa.
पापा, अब आप ये बताओ, क्योंकि पापा से कार्स की बातें हो जाती हैं, इसलिए आप उनको फेवर करते हो ये बोल के कि पापा यू आर अ बेटर ड्राइवर, या जेन्युइनली पापा इज अ बेटर ड्राइवर?
He is the better driver. My mother does not ever drive my father's car because he has an app that you can see like how fast you're going, if the seat belt is on, and like if you're going over bumps and all. So he got that extra feature from the showroom. So my mother does not like it that my father is just seeing that
Keeping an eye while she's driving. Okay, that's good. Now tell me about mama. Mama की ये वाली बात तो किसी और
One thing that Mama is good at, like when she drives, is that if she has to get out of some place really fast, she even though she's getting many scratches on her car or dents, she can still like get out of the traffic and you can reach a little bit early. With Papa, it's like you get a little late because he follows like all the traffic rules.
अच्छा, now अब कार की बातें हो गई. Tell me one thing जो सिर्फ मम्मा की अच्छी है. I'm not talking about cars, anything. कि मम्मा
The best thing about Mama is she's the best cook.
cook, huh?
Because whenever I bring any good stuff to school, my friends are all like, is your mother from MasterChef?
Acha, actually, so it's a big compliment, huh? That's so good. With our Christmas caps, we are ready for
The Christmas Carol.
yay! So let's start.
Let it be Christmas everywhere. Let heavenly music fill the air. Let every heart sing. Let every bell ring. Story of hope and joy and peace. And let it be Christmas where let heavenly music fill the air. Let anger and fear and hate disappear. Let there be love and last through the year. And let it be Christmas, Christmas everywhere.
Yay! That's so good. Now I have learned a little about this song, few lyrics, few words. So I would also like to sing with you. So shall we go again? Yes, let's start.
Let it be Christmas everywhere. Let heavenly music fill the air. Let every heart sing, let every bell ring. Story of hope and joy and peace. And let it be Christmas where let heavenly music fill the air. Let anger and fear and hate disappear. Let there be love and last through the year. And let it be Christmas, Christmas everywhere.
This was so good. Thank you so much. This carol actually made me feel that I'm celebrating Christmas with you. So yes, we are actually celebrating Christmas. So thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Ma'am.
baby.
Subscribe to ma'am's channel, and you should like the video, and it's your choice if you want to give a comment or not.
Thank you so much, Nimaya. It was nice talking to you. I really hope that you liked it. Yeah, did you? Did you have a good time?
Really good time.
Really good time, yeah. So it's a win for us. And I wish you Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
May God be with us always. He's actually always with us, yeah. May God make us wiser, you know? Yeah. Thank you so much.